Right, done. Action. Good morning. The purpose of this video is to show you the extent of the feather plucking that I've had over the last couple of weeks. Just say thanks to my cameraman or camera woman. She's going to say hello now. Say hello, Di.
Hello.
Hello, that's enough. Okay, well, pan round to me. Come on, Clive. I feel like Keith Floyd. The first one is the result of the feather plucking yesterday, which is quite extensive. So if you're of a squeamish nature, here are the poor little boys. You can see that she's taken the feathers completely off its back, left the wings, but completely off its back. I've smeared Vaseline on his back, so that was just one normal green. The blue was similar, and grey green. The only one she didn't get to was this one. I think she started, but probably because this one is bigger than her, so perhaps she felt a bit undermined by that. But they're lively and they seem to be okay, so I'm just hoping now. But what I am told is that after reading a bit by Kevin Pascal this morning, is by adding Calcivet to the water will give a bit more calcium, and one of the reasons for feather plucking is lack of calcium or calcium deficiency. So I'm going to try that one. You'll remember that I had this little lot that were feather plucked. This is the only reason I don't like troppy bed, because it, and these plastic show cages, breeding boxes, I'm not too sure about. Okay, so here's one that's developing quite nicely now. That was feather plucked, as bad as you saw just now, but he's developing quite nicely. This little one, a bit of a runt, but he's developing now, and that's okay. And one more in here. This one, it's taking a bit more time, but he'll be alright. So that's those. And just to end on a positive, lots of these chicks now come out of the nest. And this is the opaline that we saw in the first couple of weeks, and realised its potential. It's looking pretty good now. What's nice about this one is that it's got quite a clear mantle, not quite as defined as it should be, but when it molts out, perhaps that might be a nice little bird, that one. Well, big bird actually. So that's nice. There's a few more in here. Well, this one was feather plucked as well, but that's coming along nicely. It doesn't seem to be going its feathers back on the back of its head. I just wonder whether it ever will. Not a bad bird actually, but lovely and soft. What feathers it has got, beautifully soft, and that's because of the cinnamon, of course. A few more in there. One more nest where they've started coming out of the box. These are not too bad. Nice grey green in here. There you go, mate. I think he might be okay. Quite nice. Although I don't like grey greens, as you know, but quite a nice bird. One more I'll just show you, which is this nest. And this is just a nest of youngsters that are coming along nicely. Another cinnamon there. And the rest of them are well fed, you can see by the crop. So yeah, that's about it. Perhaps an eye-opener for some of you who are just starting in this lovely hobby about feather plucking. It is one of the downsides of it, but let's hope they come through. See you later. Bye.